Hi. I wanted to pop on here today to share with you guys a new way I have found to identify Barbie clothes. And it's a total game changer for me. Previously, I would have to photograph everything and then upload it to Facebook and then hope somebody saw the post and recognized it. And a lot of times, especially with, you know, 90s or 2000s newer stuff, a lot of the collectors aren't as familiar with that. I'm definitely not as familiar with that. So kitty cameo. So anyway, so I've discovered a new way using your phone, super easy. So let's check it out. Isn't that cool? So you can see some pieces work better than others for sure. Especially, I mean, like this one, I think it was just so hard to read. I wonder if I put it on a doll, if it would work. Also, if it's something that's kind of very generic, like a jean skirt, like it's going to have a lot of trouble deciphering that from, a million other jean skirts. But I mean, overall, it helps, and it takes you right to places where you can get all the information as well as pull out some comps. So anyway, I hope this helps, and good luck and enjoy.